In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively do email marketing for your Shopify store. Email marketing is a powerful tool that can help boost your sales and keep your customers engaged. Whether you decide to use Shopify email or integrate with a third-party app, such as OmniSend, ActiveCampaign, or MailChimp, the principles remain the same. Let's dive in and explore both pathways together. Let's start with Shopify email. If you're not using it yet, you'll first need to add it to your store from the Apps section. This tool allows you to create and send marketing emails directly from your Shopify admin. Once you have the app installed, choosing the right template is crucial. Shopify email offers a variety of pre-designed templates tailored for different types of communication, whether it's showcasing a new collection, teasing products, or promoting a sale. The next step is to customize your email. This is where you add your brand personality and make your emails stand out. Include your branding elements, feature specific products, and highlight any discounts or special offers. Don't forget to personalize the content to resonate with different segments of your audience. This makes your emails more relevant and increases engagement. Before you send out your email, make sure to preview it. This helps you catch any mistakes and ensure everything looks perfect. You then decide whether to schedule it for later or send it out immediately. After your emails go out, the last step is to analyze the results. Take advantage of tracking features to monitor open rates, click-through rates, and sales generated by your email campaigns. This insight is invaluable for future optimizations. Now, if you prefer using third-party apps, start by choosing one that integrates smoothly with Shopify. OmniSend, ActiveCampaign, and MailChimp are popular choices, each offering distinct advantages. Once you pick one, follow the app's installation instructions and connect it to your Shopify store. Creating workflows is a powerful feature that these apps provide. You can build intricate email sequences such as welcome emails for new subscribers or reminders for abandoned carts. This automation streamlines your efforts while keeping your communication consistent and timely. Audience segmentation is another feature to leverage. By targeting specific groups based on demographics, purchase history, or browsing behavior, you tailor messages that speak directly to the consumer's interests. Tracking performance is key to understanding how your campaigns are doing. Each app comes with an analytics dashboard that shows you comprehensive data about your campaigns. Regularly check these metrics to assess your strategies and refine them further. To build a robust email list, encourage customers to subscribe through sign-up forms on your website or during the checkout process. Offering incentives like discounts or early access can significantly boost sign-ups and engagement. Always ensure your emails are optimized for mobile, broadening their reach since many people check emails on their phones. Lastly, always comply with email marketing regulations such as GDPR. It's vital to have proper consent from your subscribers to maintain trust and legal compliance. Continuously test different approaches, like subject lines and sending times, to discover what works best for your audience. With these strategies in place, your Shopify email marketing can effectively drive sales and engagement.